Captain Thompson, Force Design 2028 gets published. You all get a sizable amount of money. You're on a tear implementing those capabilities. At the same time, you've got a lot of legacy things that you're trying to stitch together and make it all work. Give us a state of the state as to where you are in laying down that architecture, that zero trust architecture in this fast moving environment you find yourself in.
Great point. So there is a lot of influx of money. There's obviously a huge appetite. We're on the dot mill, but we're part of DHS. There's an aggressive timeline to meet a lot of these new operational requirements. And I think the thing that really makes the Coast Guard interesting, from a zero trust point of view, is that it's as much as it's a technical problem, it's really a logistics problem. We have 1,500 units all over the world. Obviously, most of them are CONUS, but we have ships, we have aircraft. There's a diverse set of environments that we have to take this to apply it to. And similar to Angel's comment about there was an appetite for modernization of IT, prior to this push for zero trust. And I think when I look at zero trust, what I love about it is that it really allows us to confidently deploy these new technologies in a secure way, and it also puts some very tight boundaries around all the different parts of our moving organization to say that you have to meet these baseline identity management pieces, these baseline network pieces, these baseline application and data pieces, and really kind of puts everyone moving in sync towards a common goal. And I think it's exciting. And I think the most exciting part of it is the new technology that we're going to be able to confidently and securely deliver to end users, particularly in the areas of mobility and satellite comms and 5G wireless, that allows a huge diverse global workforce like ours to move around and take care of our operations, but do so in a way that is effective and efficient. These new mobile solutions allow our operators to be able to do things where they're not having to go take a pen and paper out to the field, write down a whole bunch of notes, drive back to the office, hand jam those notes in. They can actually take that device out to the field, take pictures, do those, type in those forms on site, and then be done and go about their day. So I'm very excited about it. I think these mission critical sensitive apps are going to be the future of how we effectively and efficiently operate.
Could not